In this video, we'll be solving this geometry problem. So we have here, what is the area of the triangle formed by the x-axis, the y-axis, and the line 14x minus 5y equal to 200. So this one is a pretty standard problem, but I suggest that you first try it out on your own. Okay, good. So let's begin. I guess the simplest way to solve this one is to try to visualize what this forms. So let's begin with the easier one. So let's draw the x-axis there, and let's draw the y-axis. So let's say it's this one. So originally, when you're gonna do this, you're gonna do the standard like this x-axis and y-axis, but since I already know where this line would be located, it would be best to draw it this way. So let's denote this thing as the x-axis and this thing as the y-axis. Next thing to do is to determine what this line is here. For this one, for lines, take note that the key to be able to plot them is just plot 2 points on that line. So the easiest there is to just set one of these to be 0, one at a time. So for instance, if we set x to be 0, this will vanish. We'll be left with negative 5y equal to 200, dividing negative 5 both sides, yields y equal to negative 40. Let's mark that one down. So let's mark negative. Wait a second. Okay, there. Negative 40 out here. Since this will be like our line needs to pass through out here. So it depends on where. And then next, set this time y to be 0. If that happens, we'll have here 14x equal to 200, dividing 14 both sides, yields x equal to 200 over 14, or in lowest terms, 100 over 7. 100 over 7 is approximately 14. So if this is 40, maybe we can just put the 14 probably around here. So that we're 100 over 7. And then from there, let's think. We can now form the triangle. So triangle would have this, this, and this there. Wherein this specific line out here represents 14x minus 5y equal to 200. So just to make our triangle nicer, let me color this one first. So there you go. I think the triangle now looks nicer. And then from here, we can now easily solve the area of the triangle. Just recall that, let's see, in triangles, its area is given by 1/2. Oopsies. Let me first remove this. Let's see, how do you do this? This one. There we go. So it's given by 1/2 times its base times height. Okay, in this case, depending on how you look at it, wherever the base is, for right triangles like this, the base and height here, it's interchangeable, but it represents either this and this. So we take note of what are the measurements of this. Clearly, since this portion here represents the 0, then it follows that this distance here must be given by 100 over 7, and then this distance here must be given by 40. Okay? Basically, the absolute value of these. So applying that to what we have, we will obtain here 1/2 times, let's just choose 100/7 here, times the height, let's say 40. And then notice here that 2 divided by 40 will just yield 20. And so simplifying, this will become 2000 over, oops, there, 2000 over 7. 2000 over 7. Since the units is not given, let's just put here square units. And there you go. This is just how to solve this problem. Pretty straightforward. This problem is just a challenge of if you know how to plot lines and visualize these equations into the coordinate system to be able to obtain the area. So good, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you have an alternative solution for this, feel free to send or feel free to comment it down below. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions for this suggestions of video for this channel, specific problems that you want to tackle or specific topics, feel free to comment it down below. And yeah, besides that, have a great day.